All right, I thought I would do a quick video because I just had a meeting that left me a bit upset. And I say that because I wish I could go back in time and fix things, but I know that's not possible. And it all stems from a lack of proper setup at the time a person is thinking about estate planning. And this brings in the component of people doing things on their own and handmade wills and handmade trusts. I want to say that not only is the document itself not getting the benefit of professional experience, professional understanding, and wisdom as far as all that plays into these types of matters, but that down the road, when there's complications and issues, it is going to be so much more expensive to deal with at that point than it would have been to just properly set up whatever it is, uh, as far as estate planning documents from the get-go. As well, you're missing the opportunity to educate yourself on what the document means and also setting the stage for the next people involved to realize the importance of becoming educated about the document and how to go about moving forward and using professionals in that manner. Because what I saw was just a whole bunch of questions that could not be addressed because there were so many unanswered questions, there were so many problems with the document itself, and so many years had passed where nobody was addressing these matters, and now it truly is a disaster. So I always want to caution people to take the time in the beginning to set things up properly, not only to educate yourself a bit, but to understand that whatever you're doing will stand the test of time, and you're really kind of setting the way for people moving forward and understanding how important it is for your goals to be met and to use the right people to help you for that. So this is Ruth George with Ruth P. George Law, PLLC, Trust and Estate Attorney. This video, as with any video I do put out, is for educational purposes only. It does not establish an attorney-client relationship, and I look forward to seeing you on another video.